Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen T-Cross 1.0 TSI 95 bhp Life with Technology upgrade. This sleek blue vehicle with only 6,339 kilometers on the clock is loaded with advanced features like Bluetooth, cruise control, Android Auto CarPlay, lane departure warning, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, with roof rails and a stop and start system, this car is designed for convenience and efficiency. Rest assured, this T-Cross has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.